We are back with the Bang Podcast Affirmation. Uyazi sikulandela wonke umuntu ongamcabanga eKZN South Africa all over Saturday our international guest naso nayezojoyina ngikudala ngiyakutshela. Namhlanje sivakashelwe uLeko Motion, uNkululeko Ngcobo.
Amen.
Alright Leko.
Alright, good.
Sure, igama lami Sizwe Process. This is Podcast Affirmation. So banengxoxo emnandi noLeko Motion. Abanye abantu baseThekwini laba strong. Mfethu abakade bababona eThekwini kanti industry entertainment bekhona nalabantu sekhona. I would still pushing. Leko.
Budi.
Sawamukela iPodcast Affirmation.
Bese ngiyabonga ukuthi ngizo-affirma nami ukuthi i-podcast affirmation yiyo.
Awe kodwa and it's black out by the way.
That's wonderful. And as ngibuka nje around, I see you're surrounded by young blood.
Yeah. Phela sinveste kubona. The future ibona. But ke namhlanje it's all about uLeko. Namhlanje it's all about uLeko. Yazi ukuthi abantu abaningi bayayibuza. By the way uLeko sidinga 326 laphana eMvuma FM. And go understand kahle 326 awenzi yonombani. Cela ukustate categorically ukuthi awenzi yonombani. If umsakazi usangena ebusuku.
Wow.
Awuphushe some more uzoba grade kodwa oba manje kusekhona uLeko kuyazi i-radio kade yaqala indaba yayo mfethu bathi ufuna ukushaya nge-background kaLeko versus the space
Mfethu ngibe fortunate enough ukuthi kulesi space engikusona. I'm now 29 years kusona, you know. So 30 years next year planning on something very big.
Cela usinclude
It called inside of it in the 50th year next year. So yeah, everything is good.
Everything is good.
So uqala kwami ku-radio khona TV presenting course engangiyenza lapha e-workshop to say MDE opposite like there's khona ama-flower workshop.
Oh yeah,
so I used to do khona i-radio presenting until bangiqoqayibo kune-opportunity of the first in-store radio station ezokwenzeka in the southern hemisphere. There was a radio hub.
Oh yeah.
Aqala khona ke-radio hub. From there I think I attracted abantu abafana njenge-P4. Then I went to P4 radio. From P4 radio ngacela lapha East Coast Radio kuthiwa awuze namava akho nawe sibona. From East Coast Radio to Kakasi to Metro FM, now Vuma FM. So I've been very lucky ukuthi ke space sibe kind mina ngaleyo ndlela.
And it's half, eh?
Siraf out here. It's not for the faint-hearted.
Yazi ufuna ucheck Leko ngiyacabanga ukuthi along the way vela ama challenges abakhona.
Sure.
Imaphi ama challenges or experiencing because I understand it from this side to national radio.
Yeah.
I think again abantu bafike ku4
Sure.
abasenze njalo
Yeah.
successful. And you are one of them.
Yeah.
Athina ama challenges along the way.
So ngoba mina I was partnered with abantu baseGoli. They required a voice ezoqhamuka like KZN. I'm talking about Metro FM.
Yeah.
Saying national. So I would be here a month, going to a month. So that inconsistency created a lot of cracks. Uba closer and bond with my colleagues.
Yeah.
More importantly, labo sebenza nayo.
Busipana no Penny Libiyani kodwa Penny Libiyani ingahlakani naye kakhulu.
Yeah. Odds were really against us. We got show Thomas Msengane, Penny, and then myself. So meeting for the first time and trying to make things work, it wasn't an easy challenge. Now so we are born to Kuba. And I have to say, it was a bit of my nerves. I call because being and abandoned and admire them.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Now, masuzodlalela a national stage. It's a different ball game altogether. Oh, it's serious, have thick skin, you know, and focus, because there's always going to be challenges. Either my challenges that come up with management, or my listeners are not feeling you. But most importantly, self-esteem yako. So I would say it took a mental toll. From a perspective.
KZN or Durban to be specific to you understand
Yeah.
or international or national.
So bangicela ukuthi we want to make sure that when you are growing i-listenership KZN. So I grow KZN, Gauteng, Western Cape, I think that's Eastern Cape as well.
Yeah.
So I grew beyond.
Hayibo bakuxoshela.
Angizangiqosha.
Ungawari into ezenzakalayo kakhuluma. It's me.
Mhlambe technically ngaxoshwa. Let me put it that way.
Seyokuthi abantu you contract.
No, everything was renewed. Ngoba I was taking 2 weekend breakfast. Which was a weekend breakfast. Unfortunately, there was just one show a week. You know, in as much as breakfast holds into a phambili weekend breakfast, but didn't translate to a message. So ngizoyibeka nje without disclosing into iholo lami for that show. Ehle kakhulu from midday.
Yeah.
So ngase ngibona hey le mani ngiyakwazi ukuyenza ngama gigs iyodwa. So we then shook hands and unfortunately that's how we parted ways. Azange sibe at all. I sent a letter of resignation that I acted ways amen.
Oh, waxoshwa kanjani?
Ngizobeka kanjalo kuthwani constructive dismissal mhlawumbe.
Kwaba naleyo into ezoba amicable, yeah.
So omunye umuntu akathi mhlawumbe was being frustrated out. That did come ekhanda lami, but in speaking to abantu abaningi kuthiwa no man ungashiyi, relax, this is metro.
Yeah.
But unfortunately I had bills to pay.
Exactly. Because mhlawumbe kungachaza futhi ukuthi if usebenza e-radio station ungena daily.
Yeah.
Iyahluka imali nokuthi manje so ungena once because you're getting paid according to our services or renderation uyaschedule
kakhulu.
Yabona so ngiyacabanga ukuthi ezinto ezama-challenges e-radio.
Big challenges.
Madina kade uhola u-R25 sekuthi uzohola u-R7.50 obvious uzo-affected.
Kuzoba nenkinga enkulu. I think when asizwe with the industry sikuyona problem enkulu is that people bacabanga kunenyuka lo.
Yeah.
Yes, you are in a much better position to turn gigs left, right, and center because of the platform you have. But I think perception ile ukuthi njengoba nemali ehlanyana laphana hayi ushaba hlupheki labathi or they don't have much challenges. We've got kids, we've got rent, we've got cars, medical aid, everything to pay for.
Yeah.
Bese thola ukuthi into ayihlangani ngendlela okuyiyona. However, having said that, enye into engayifunda kakhulu kwa Metro ukuthi it's important ukuthi uzenzele ezinye izinto outside of radio because that platform gives you multiple streams of income. So to a certain point where I could have stayed, but I was in a very predicament. Ngi-pressurized. Needed to
But into abangayazi abanye abantu ukuthi lezo zinto zenzayo ule kuya DJ.
Yeah.
Ule ku music.
So kwezinye izinto like anybody else osebenzayo. Kuba khona la izinto zishoda khona, you know. And I think the biggest mistake esenza in the industry is playing or living for other people. Ironge ke leyo nto. Hamba ke imoto yakho lo hamba ngayo ungazihluphi.
Yeah.
Ukuthi umuntu uzothi as long as ukwazi ufika emsebenzini, as long as ukwazi ufaka ingane esikoleni, ube udla emakhabetheni, emadrawini, efridgini. That's the fundamental issue. Then bese uyazama ukuthola ama gigs lapha nalapha. I think also at that time kuba khona i-entitlement ukuthi hayi kuleke emotions wathola ama gigs ayisipani kanjani. You need to be out there. Ngizokwenza an example with the out here with Ismail Abrams, the DJ man. Hey, uyapusha lo yamjita. Uyapusha. So sengisho outside of radio, ashama R&B. So it's for me ngoba kade ngaqala ukusebenza naye from a hub. Making an example guy because that's how you should do it. Multiple streams of income. I mean, at the end of the day, got 3-4 hours of basemoye. So let's say it total 4 hours. One to prepare the 3 ungena.
Yeah.
And what are you doing with the other 20 hours? So 7 hours. What about the remaining? What are you doing with that?
Yeah.
And imali oyitholayo emsakazweni, comparatively speaking, to umuntu ongena 8 as of number 5. It's quite a lot of money. It just it demands discipline, focus, and a very good woman.
So advise kanjalo umuntu ofuna ukungena kule industry because le industry sometimes abantu baya intimidate. Uthi usafuna nje ukungena nje lapha.
I think you need to focus on why ufuna ukungena kwe radio. Mafuna uba famous urock. Mafuna ukwenza imali urock. You must have passion for this. That's song isikhathi.
But wena nje uthi manje yabona ukuba famous angithi kuyakusiza uthola namanye ama gigs uthola nezinye izinto ezithize ezikusebenzela ukuthi famous. If ubungekho famous mhlawumbe bese ngeke nathi kubize wala.
So ngenza example ukuthi if fame does not necessarily translate to inyuko. You need to create amanyama streams of income.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. For instance, I do have my businesses out too that I'm running on the side, supplying different things. Because I was circumventor. I'm going to hold because I'm an independent contractor. I'm going to be independent contractor or on air. So which means you manage your own affairs. If Uguti were na general Lego motion ubhali contract le station ukuthi sobabili mina ngiboni leyo kwinto ekhalphile bhalisa ngenkampani yakho ukuze nama tax rebates abuye ngendlela okuyiyona uzidiscipline la indaba yemali uzokhumula eqala ukuthi ngithe iphuthe elikhulu engangenza engalenza ukuthi cabanga uzothola iholo la again ngiyasho love what you do, create other multiple streams of income, have your own companies, but most importantly then to human capital goes a long way. Goes a long way. Ngokusiza uzofika la athi mfethu ngilauncha podcast affirmation ngenze ground ngiluku ukuthi ngizocela mfethu uzongisiza. Me coming to inse ngizosiza. That's human capital. Ngingalo ngicabanga njalo ukuthi imali no. So I suppose this is where passion comes from. Ukuthi noma ukhona ama challenges kodwa uzodlala.
Yeah.
Because uyazi ukuthi I need to get there, I need to get there. We are not the most disciplined people as creatives with money. We are not the most focused people as creatives. However, we do need environment disciplined enough so that mangifika khona incompliment and ingisize where I'm weak, ingehlise where I think my ego is up.
Yeah.
So if your environment is
so strong umuntu onayo kwezothando.
Kakhulu.
Uyakwazi ukulawula akukhiphe kubeni ulekho obushini ube uqululeko
impinje yami lana mfethu. My wife is my friend. My wife has been there you want to think you're 30 years. We've been together for 27 years.
Is it?
Yeah. You know what I mean? With 4 kids, you know.
They were strong. Industry. I think was strong. Ngicabanga into zokubuya le ukuthi unegig evayodlala wena ngo11 or wama naye ufayodlala ngo11 uzoqede ngo2 for instance.
Sixoxele kakhulu lasedume De La Soul.
Yeah.
So bengijwayele uqashwa njalo De La Soul thangize bona. Afuna uhamba nami njalo. It's high lungila sami. I think the first 3 occasions ngihamba nami wabotha no. Ayisekho isidingo sokuthi ngigade lo muntu because ufuna ufika early, he wants to be the last one to leave. Then useyazela lapho mina I'm just still having fun.
Yeah.
So I think nami ngayisebenzisa to my advantage njalo. Awuthi ngifrustrate kancane. Angazoloku ezongigada la, you understand? But it's a wonderful understanding, wonderful. Not ukuthi awakama challenges there, but nobabili mani committed. And also I think umuntu wakho umukule industry iba vulnerable kuyena. Siyasaba thina specifically abantu besilisa ukuba vulnerable kubantu bethu. Who else are we going to be vulnerable to? Mafane kukhale
kuyena.
Yeah man. There's a shoulder to cry on and give you ama advice accordingly. Nesimo nje sokuba nomuntu, a good woman in your life. It does something well. You want to be better ngaso sonke isikhathi.
La reporter ko
government buti
awazi ukuhlala ebusuku zithi 11 zithi 12 awenzi call awenzi lutho kunobanje kwena. By the way mhlendo lekho bobushini uwenza u3 to 6 lapha eVuma FM uleko wezivakashela namhlanje kumnandi ukuthi sivakashelwe ilegend ngakhona ngelegend akithi.
Maybe next year when I finish 30 years.
But veteran. Yabona but anyway uleko usekhona ungasilandela njalo ku YouTube lapha podcast information ungasilandela sine page futhi leko elicommand 2.5 million wama followers lapha ku Facebook nakhona ungasilandela futhi sizokhuluma futhi noLeko ukuthi ashayele imessage khona because lapho kuyashesha kuzongena manje umbone manje uLeko prepare i-interview esizoyidlala mhlambe week or 2 ozayo injalo nje Leko but ke manje usuyishayeleke lento radio ulaphana evuma sesithithile imetro esingayithi manje Gagasi kwenzakalani Gagasini ukhona
the most wonderful experience I have nayo eRadweni because they gave me a chance ukuthi ngibe behind the scenes as well. So ukuthi ngikwazi ukugqoka amakepisi awu-2 and that gave me a huge understanding. Khumbula ukuthi the position enganginayo eGagasi was not there. I was the on-air talent specialist.
Okay.
Okusho ngamanye amazwi ngiyacabanga ukuthi mangabala ukuthi angifuni ukukhohlwa abantu but khona isizini
hayi bazabe mhlambe okhohlekayo
the pleasure ukuthi ngisebenze noFelix ngisebenze noJebs ngisebenze Sonic uzongiqhatha uMario uNomalanga Hope Mbele Hizzy Colin Zondo you know Zolazila Ving you know bonke nje mfethu they were
badlulile kwena
yes sir.
Yes
sir. So
that's a talent really serious.
Cool.
I'm thinking of Unomalanga, ngibona ku TV lapana, Bono Felix is doing exceptional work. And then baningi mfethu.
Baningi. So kube khona isizini I think season 5-6 years ago was just a pleasure ukuthi ngikwazi babeka la. So most of them came with bathanda iRadio but did not understand dynamics. And I was very happy ukuthi ngikwazi ukusebenzisana nabo because umsebenzi wami was to identify talent la ikhona balethe batrain under leadership programs manager Mimi Kesaras working together base ngithola talent ngithi kusazame lo muntu kanje this is the vision and have to do my report on a regular. So that exposed me to a lot of ins and out ngaphakathi kwi-radio. And I think
this is abantu babalayo like I'm sorry to interject but abantu babalayo into engichaza ngabo bonke mfethu basekhona kwi-industry one or the other they're still doing well.
I'm very proud.
But bakhumbula
kakhulu uyabona sengikhohlwa abantu Junior the Rocker as well Lab DJ Vuma basically bonke umuntu obelapha. I had the pleasure ukuthi ngifake contribute.
DJ Vuma wena umthetho wamfaka
no
kwilento zenkolo ngathi usegqilile enkolweni ngalo
no I think umoya umbambe along the way but uVuma has always been umuntu o spiritual ngaphakathi. Asithi noma senza ama Snoop sessions sikwazi ukukhuluma ngalezo because I honestly believed mina ukuthi in trying to work with the talent you become a big brother, become a father, become an uncle, everything, a psychologist. So it's not about wenzeni emoyeni kanje ukuhlala nawe and
Snoop sessions.
You know, it's ngangithi mina ama progress meetings. Ukuthi ukuphosa isikhathi singalaleli nje umuntu azongitshela inkinga zinazo. So mangizozwa lezo inkinga zakho challenges ngizobona ukwenza emoyeni wakwenza ngababo. You're going through something. Ngisasho lokhu nje sizwe mhlawumbe ngingakhambeli phambili. I think that's what's missing right now in the radio industry. Where talent, from a point of view of talent, they are not nurtured. Yes, any radio station iyafana na any business needs to be treated like business, financial revenue and all that stuff. At the same time, when they created this position, uVukile Zondi for me, he wanted me to nurture talent, not only from a professional point of view, but ngikwazi banikeza.
Why ungabalanda ama-influencers?
Ama-influencers?
Bayibiza kanjani these kids lezi ekhona uthatha ukuthi sebezadominate eRadweni ngenxa yama-numbers. Sure. Ukuthi yini reason othi no mhlawumbe angibadingi laba ngifuna ukufocus ekunegeneration ye-talent elikhona.
It was not about ukungabadingi. It was more of who we needed. So ngikusho lokho ngoba umuntu uthi hayi uSithuleke wayengangithandi. No, it's a plan osukunayo ubona okay imi kanje line up ngifuna ukuthi mayiqala ekseni imi kanje emini kanje iziyofika ebusuku ne weekend ihambe kanje theme it properly. You understand so that it speaks to abantu abalalele iRadio because you should not have a radio show where you didn't have a moment umuntu azizibona aha ngizange ngicabange kanjalo, you know. I remember uZisto as well. Ngizokubakhumbula kanje. uZisto khumbula conversation asake saba naye ngathi Zisto mina I want you on radio. I do not want a put on voice. I do not want you to be someone else. I want you.
Oh, for them bitches.
No. In fact, I'm so in fact, ukhuluma ngama pages. Angithi yabona lento uyena usanochill. Ngifuna ukuthi ube wena. If ilaugh yakhe lethi ha ihleke bese ukhuluma nabanye abantu.
Yeah.
Don't try and put on anything. And she always thanks me for that. And nokwazi ukuthi wherever I go mangihlangana nabo I get love. That is my gratification.
And by the way, uZisto is doing afternoon drive.
Oh yes.
Manje sekudila nawe kanje.
Mfethu ufuna uthini?
Ngiyazama late le ndawo. Okay. Yazi ngibheka ndeko ube nenhlanhla usebenzile engicabanga ukuthi into esingayijwayelekile ihapu P4 engicabanga ukuthi adult radio.
Yes.
Bayibiza kanjalo. Igagasi youth driven metro but manje usebenzela isiteshi esaziwa njenge adult radio the young time something like that so uphi umehluko kuzona zonke lezi zinto because ngicabanga ukuthi ufike wathi khaxa kuzona zonke wakwazi ukuyihandlisha ngendlela zona zonke
kwento efuna sikhumbule uma usizwe yangilalela kwigagasi when he was still younger and nami ngisayanga at some point uzokhula usizwe kufanele ngikhule naye do you get what I'm saying igagasi yes took a stand ukuthi bazoba youth radio station comparatively speaking to ivuma it's adult radio for the young at heart so you're still young still want to jam to Mapa Boots you know because it brings back nostalgia kodwa ama responsibilities zakho nespace ukusona sukhulile so mina ngazohlala young and mentality egagasi ngikhula ni because labantu bami abazohamba sebefuna something ethi ukuthi xa elingana nabo content efana nabo so we must learn as well when to come out when to go in where to go it's always a risk but when you calculate it strong phakathi and be fine with the decision oyenzile you're going to stick to it very important awuzukusola umuntu uzozibheka wena if ubotha ngashaya ifamba la live with it uyishiya awuyona ifamba ushaya ifamba qhubeka and that's what live radio does as opposed to TV like on a cut in la everything is now is here when they put up
so radio TV for you
both actually both I did TV back in the day. I did TV. Akumula chaza ukuthi LME we did radio presenting. I did ama adverts hour 3 aga bears. Now the funny thing with Leonto our TV so shoot up on SABC. Because the headline yami irisidile bathi abantu embe uthathwe ifinish wrong. Afuna uthatha uJoshua Duma.
Joshua.
I understand. So there's a lot of dynamics in the radio space, and dare I say, a radio needs a radio person. But doesn't mean with someone only radio person cannot learn.
How do you tell this is a radio person? Because I'm not too sure Leko sometimes it's my voice umuntu onjengongicela ukwenza example onjengo DJ Sbu omunye umuntu bengeka mniki chance athi but uteam not team who's this guy Treasure Shababa lana abheke entweni kanjalo in terms of ama voice radio uyabona le but uSbu angamniki kodwa uSbu today is doing breakfast
esasebenza into radio voice out here kuya nge understanding the market yakho kuya nange content ozana sikwenza le example final friend there was Mark Gilman doing breakfast I did not like his voice at all but I used to listen to him all the time because of the content you know someone you'd love to hate kodwa akwazi ukuthi hate because content is sharp it's the screaming maybe my time and I ended up saying actually ake ngiyeke a radio voice let me listen to what this guy is saying and he did an absolutely fantastic job And it's someone along the way I got to work with, I got to meet along the way. So umuzwa ne-voice, there's only so much voice.
Mina ngithanda kakhulu uGareth Cliff.
Gareth Cliff, oh, I love it too. Oh yes. Now that's a radio person. Fat Joe is a radio person. The late Chili M is a radio person. Bob McBenna. I can go out here. You know, uzokhombisa ukuthi lesi space okusona is your space and own it. Mawulapha studio, you must own it. Thatha ifile ngibona ukubeka eceleni. It's just 3 hours of your time. And pour your heart out there. Show my emotions. You're not talking to a robot.
Yeah.
Talking to other people with similar challenges. So why don't you just be normal? Besides, everyone else is taken. Be you. When you used to work for a Vibe FM, I used to enjoy your show because you were you.
Is it?
Absolutely. Oh, not spelling. I'm talking we find my clips.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm like, this is it. It's another example, Atiam. The late Eddie Zondi, may his soul rest in peace. Eddie Zondi grew that show, a romantic repertoire. It is a romantic ratapo the whole time. But we loved it because he took over his show from Smoke and Espile, who, by the way, was the first person who identified it as a liquid.
What's that calling it?
Yeah.
I think SAFM, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah.
100%. You know? So, those are the dynamics out here. It's no longer about the radio voice, it's about the intellect. The song is
Yeah.
So, if we would target market the highly educated people, so don't come and regurgitate nonsense.
So in the car manje kwenile kuza it's so great esileka essentially something ongakayenzi ke manje ngokwe radio. I bengcheck la radio stations wahambile almost onke angazi ukuthi awuyanga kanjani DYR but I know it's fine.
No one say ha already.
Yeah, it's fine. But I'm thinking of awubona ukuthi iyalekho njenge talk radio as a case.
Absolutely. There is a lot of content. KZN is just another province out here. You know, you need to fully understand it. You need to live it. Now and then, as Tlala Eslungwini, mina ngiyahamba ngemalokishini, ngiyahamba ngemafarm, just for purposes ukuthi ngiziground. Because once manje wasebenza edolobheni uphelelwa ukuba in touch what's going on.
Usowa kuphi ne original?
Originally mina ngazalelwa kaDukuza la eStand.
Oh, la eStand.
Kodwa ngathi mase ngikhula ngakhulela Sobantu Maritzburg.
Oh, okay.
So I've had the advantage ukuba emakhaya ukuba selokishini nawe esilungwini.
So wafunda khona le koSobantu.
Ngafunda eSobantu, yes. Nasengiqedela sengise eStand. So ngangishaya uChris Cross kanje.
Awuthola ngithuba levarsity?
No. Abasengimithisile out here. So abazali bami they always believe noma lokhuluma nathi wazama nje ukuthi ube nomndeni uzoyimela.
Oh, it's like why isusu uzoyimela.
Why isusu uzoyimela? You know. So that's exactly what I did because nama ngifuna ngiphoxa abazali. Angifunanga nami ukuthi ngibakhombise ukuthi hey mhlawumbe ngiyi-failure or something because most omncane uyayibheka lezi zinto ungise ngizomisa kanjani.
Yeah.
But not only ukuthi ngase nginengane, I bought my first house at 23. Because ukuhlukana kwabazali as well, yathatha yasibeka me and my siblings in a very awkward position. So ngase ngathi I'll build us a home in the absence of ikhaya ukuhlukana abazali. So then I brought my brother and my sister bazohlala nami. So my responsibilities had to overweigh the higher learning. Engangifisa nje.
But still futhi wathrow fast.
Hayi,
Uthroweni 27 years ago.
No, not 27 years ago. Ngamlindisa nokho umama wabani. Mhlawumbe ngishada after 15 years.
Oh, okay.
Ngisabhaka phana birds.
Wenza show ukuthi ayiseki right ba. Ngoba lento ufuna ukuthi ungene kuyona usubone ukuthi I think mina okay.
Awushadile ngani?
Ngithrow.
Oh. Uthi awunemanga.
Angayikhipha ku Facebook wena ungazange ndiyayilive futhi lento le ikupla sengikhohle igama but out Durban North. Kanto.
Oh, Wendo. Oh, it's a wonderful, beautiful place.
Yeah.
So, usakhuluma ngendaba zokuthatha. I was having conversation with one of my e-hailing services driver. Ngimuthukusela. Usihlele sikasinane fro at 2010. Ngithulinde.
Yeah.
I knew our time wasn't time. But this is an excuse engizwa every time from umuntu wesilisa.
Yeah.
Hambe home affairs. Qala ekhaya usicela ukuyo home affairs bazokuchazisa inqubo engana. Hambe home affairs. Shade nomuntu wakho because what you are doing now uyamnikeza affirmation.
Yeah.
Ukuthi yithi.
Exactly.
And akekho umuntu wesifazane as far as I understand very corrected. Ozohlala emjolweni and give all engazukiwa. So wonke umuntu hlengesinqa esisodwa kanje. So wamthatha wamfakela endlini wabiya. Trust you me. That's why I keep saying good women. You have a good woman by your side, yonke into yakho izobiye because usezofika ngene naye wholeheartedly. Now usizongena wholeheartedly. Ungalubheka lamanye ama choices kodwa manje kusafuna ukujola.
So phuma kanjani labo dubabamba? I think iyona into eba difficult la.
Kusho basengiphumile. Automatic. Yeah, it's automatic. There's a lot to do with love, respect, and nurturing with you. Wow. You understand?
Uba gwema kanjani ngoba ngiyazi abantu besifazane bayayithanda heritage. On stage kwakhona umuntu wakuthiwa ikhathi ethu siphiwe vuyani.
Oh yeah.
Kukhona uBob Babek.
You just had to go there. Hey, controversial. You had to go there.
uBob Babek. Senjona abantu besifazane. Bayabathanda abantu. Bazakhela bona labantu.
100%.
ngithanda sithi
and
show ukuthi uyalalela because ufuna ukuzwa leyo awumunye agcine fall in love not ne radio show host or whatever no leko ke manje asaphezulu for the particular match uyigwema kanjani lezi zinto ezinjalo.
I suppose uma ngathi ngichazile ukuthi kunamuntu mawufuna ungena radio or any kind of entertainment ungena for those reasons ukuthi ngasuthole that attention uzolimala. Attention is there. The only thing, so there's umngani wakho who's your wife. Umbeke la, celebrate it.
But she's not always there.
Oh, I'm celebrating social media every time. Show the love.
No, balinda. Bakulandela kunjani? Bakulandela uhamba la azombingelela kwayena. Of course bulamaha.
Athi umzala.
Still. But anyway, I just get
No, I want to talk about it. The discipline that you need to have. My wife has taught me a lot of discipline. Let me put it this way. I appreciate women. They are the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. To a point which mina angivalelekile ukuthi ngicoma umuntu wesifazane lapha as long as ngikhombisa inkanu.
Oh, okay.
Ngoba ngithe sithanda buka athi I know ukuthi ungamthanda lo. Or mhlawumbe mehamba endaweni ngifuna hey love ngibona umuntu engathi ungamthanda because sivulelana ifuba zethu inkanuko yethu ingagcine ihamba lapha outside. So uyangikhombisa
so naye futhi angakwenza no.
TV. Ngoma TV.
No sexual. Ngiyagebile abasema nomuntu ambonayo naye amthanda.
Mhlambe ezoyiphendula leyo ngaka keep saying have a good woman. Ozokwazi akuhloniphe ukuthi izinto ezifana njengalezi ozokwazi ukuthi to say what when how. Good woman I'll tell you. You understand? It's an example now. You are in a public space. But you know you've got a good woman. You know when you get home, you know when I'm down, in the under now from there. So ngeke manje fanele ngididiswe abantu abaseceleni abazofika badlule and hurt my wife, my girlfriend engithandayo at that point in time in the process for into ezodlule frivolous. Because that's exactly what it is.
Khumbula King I've got a wife at home. By the way, sivakashele uleko bullshit selection uleko khona udokotela wafika naye lapha eSpanish back in the days ngasaspanele elinye lamaphepha ndaba.
Sure.
Phela dokotela
unomfundo Dzingwa. Yes. No, I haven't spoken to unomfundo in a long while, but ngiyambona ku social media.
Wathanda lo dokotela.
Oh yes. Ngibanjani mina I've got friends who love me because I love them.
Kaza mungena wangeneka wavimba ngiyadlala. Yeah, but nanihlanganisa kahle into yenu wa recover and stuff.
She was a very good source of support. I think before me, we got as a funds for Ushaluza Max, because Shaluza Max and I had kidney failure.
Yeah.
So I kind of funukilungisa ukuthi thola ama medical aid funds ukuthi angene. You know, I was wilungisa izinto ezifana njengale. So she's always been passionate. And she was a good source of support. And la khona uyazi ngithanda ngendlela esimangaliso ukuthi aqhubeke with such a thing.
Yazi le into angikhohlwanga wena ngendlela relationship leni AIC yona yabo. Uthola ukuthi kunaleyo condition but kubonakala ngathi akuyithathi la serious nje. Yajoka kube mnandi.
So
I think experience right.
Into emnandi futhi ukuthi she didn't only get close to me, got close to my family as well. Give my wife support. Ngoba phela there's one thing is vele singayinaki. When mawugula uyinaka wena ukhohle ukuthi kunabanye abantu who are going through difficult times. Your family is going through difficult times. Fanele bazokubona esibhedlela ngaso ngesikhathi maybe kubona unje. It's not nice kubona. So now bathola some kind of ingcindezi. Yabo depression yababamba. Bazazo esibhedlela njalo ukubona helpless la.
Yeah, sure.
You understand? Sure. So umuzokwazi ukuthi uthole umuntu ofana nomfundi ozokwazi ukuthi ahlale nomkakho amcounselage kungayena yedwa. As plenty of my friends ngengibaqede who did exactly that. Ukuthi mangisesibhedlela they taking care. You know, ukuthi hey mama you right, hey mngani wami or whatever the situation, awungithuma umuntu sifecela ngibhekela, you know. So
true friend indeed.
Good friends. Tell me how to audit your circle. It's very important.
Hayi ogala kanjani. Ababona iplatform.
Oh gala. Abazi
yazazi impisi.
Wait. Well, and futhi mawuzocabanga ukuthi izobathola ngalendlela ukuthi abantu bathi uchaza ukuthi attention awuyitholi kubantu besimanga. Mawuzobathola kanjalo ogala kanjani. Omnganami futhi. Mnganami. Omnganami bayahluka. They only call you when they want something.
Yeah.
You know. Kanti mozokuba nabantu abazoba there for you all the time. It's very important.
I know le kuyayibeka bafethu uyayibeka ama-challenge empilo lawo futhi sibhekana nawo but at the ultimate end sigcina swinile besisazi sifunani empilweni.
That's what it is.
Nje lebo yazi ngicabanga ukuthi because isikhathi esiningi sikhuluma ngento ethinta kakhulu ipolitics kule show but ngifuna isifiso sakho se-KZN ama-elections asedlulile but khona ama-coalitions and all that stuff ufisani nge-KZN but because kuna lo 14 days period yakhona but now I think su-3 usulapsile countdown is serious.
I'll say this very cautiously. We need to come together and be organized as a black nation. Yakhulukazi in KZN. Let me take you back when there was the unrest, COVID.
Yeah.
The people that were most organized are white people and Indian people. Ngoba ibona babeshama locks with amaphoyisa, you know what I'm saying? Ibona bengena ama group chat and see ukuthi hayibo nakuthiwa bani desa amazambane bani thenga lapha and all that stuff. So we are not that organized. If singaba organized sizobona ukuthi at the end of the day ukudependela ku government for every little thing ayizosiza ukuthi singenze examples. Iliphi lokisho olaziyo ukuthi mawungena kulona ungahlangana nengqumba kaDoti and sidlula kulona every day. Khona ingqumba zaDoti nje everywhere. Into eziletha amagciwane but hayi ugovernment akazanga phone call. Is there ever a time where we get together through our WhatsApp groups as organized people and say asambe siyo clean lapha and take this thing, expose it on social media, invite ama-council. That's how we need to do. Because uma nizothi nanga ama-policies ofana kenze politicians don't implement ama-policies. We need to be organized. So we focus on what we want the future. See, for instance, if we want to live in clean streets, we want to are fresh. That's this past few weeks. Amanzi ami empompini, amanzi brown. And no matter who support, ukulokuza kanjani, umemeza kanjani. So what do you need to do when we seize? Because ngeke uloke ukhala. Cela amanzi. Yeah. Thenga ama water filter. Ungangizwa kabi sizwa ngisho ukuthi iphutha lethu. But we also need to contribute towards the well-being yethu. Because le well-being sikhala ngayo. You understand? Let's be organized, silwe ne-crime, let's be organized, let's clean ama lokishi ethu. And abezizama ukugada iy'ngane. Uyazi mfethu amalokishi ngihlangana ney'ngane uthi into 3 years, 5 years ey'gijimela la ebusuku.
After past 6 ntambama.
Awuthi amnezinto ekuthiwa human trafficking. Iy'ngane ziyadisappearisha every single day. And hayi selokishini. We are accepting izinto ezingekho normal zibe normal. No ways awuthiyami. Ngangibona in other areas umasipala, which by the way umasipala must do these things. We pay rates.
Yeah.
Engalandanga umgqomo. Hey, kwangazi ukuthi sihleli kwi-war zone. We did not organize ourselves. Either to go ema-ofisini and say, hayi besikhathele ilo dodi. Or ake siwuqoqe thina and hold these people accountable one way or the other. Siba expose ama-shortcomings up.
Yeah.
Because we elected them which must part. But let me tell you, bona badlala politics. Whoever they are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kubuhlungu ne?
It's funa ukubeka igama kuliyona. It's disgusting. It's absolutely disgusting. You understand? Ngoba manje if ubuthi ngizokudinga only mase ngidinga something out of you. No ways. We hold the power as the people of KZN. We hold the power as abantu base South Africa to ithi izinto zithatha i-direction. Ayikho into engiphatha kabi njengokuthi if ukuthi omhlonishwa noma bizwa ngomhlonishwa ama-politician.
Basukuyela
ndoda it really boggles my mind. Umhlonishwa usandwenza njani uhloniphe ngokuthi wenzeni.
How I saw which bangangena le nto emakhaya ukuthi hlonishwa phela ngezinto ozenzela umphakathi singahloniphi ngegama.
Again goes back to us as umphakathi. Let us be organized. You understand ngisho uba organized kwethu kuzokwazi ukuthi fundise nezingane esimva kwethu ukuthi oh by the way abazali bangishela ukuthi nokuthi nama need to carry on.
Yeah.
I'm telling you sis.
No ivalue.
Yabo.
I think ivalue kubalekile ngempela ngoba no uhulumeni fanele ushintshe indlela oyenza ngayo. But I strongly believe ukuthi angazi i-outcome yenze njani but kukhona okucacile ukuthi iningi dissatisfaction kubantu mhlawumbe especially ngohulumeni kaDukhona. Hopefully bebehlangana uma uthi gcina behlanganisile laba bawinile bagcina bengawinanga. But laba bazongena benze isiqiniseko sokuthi benze justice kubantu especially kwi-service delivery.
Mobheka the underlying factor yonke lento uyabona at the end of the day kune rhetoric from every party ukuthi so and so is not doing this, so and so is not doing this, but they're not telling us there are policies that are implementable. Tingenzi example.
Sure.
Gaten Mackenzie. Like him or hate him. Papa Action. 100 days once good, he does it. He's still a politician.
Yeah.
But uyazi at the end of the day I need to service my people within a space esingaka. How do you explain sizwe kumanje? Lesikhathi wakhona ikhukhula. Kungabantu abasihlala emaholo.
Hey, please.
Mohamba lana kulomgaqo M19
Sibe no minister njalo obhekele
futhi ukuphu M19 there's informal settlement ela ekeyasha unfortunately abantu balahlekelwa izinto eziningi. And I'll tell you now government went there yokhalisana na. I think bazowanikeza neindlela ethi ukuthi bakwazi ukuphilisa bafana nogesi lapha. So if you're going to declare a place as a government as this is not a place abantu fanele baphile kuyona, implement that
something. Yeah.
Ungakunikeza ugesi khona la unikeze yonke into ukuthi uzawufuna ukungisusa la. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, ikhona lento ukuthi ningakhe eduze kwemfuyo. Abantu there is no land abayi-identifyayo ukuthi basebenze bahlale kuyona. Because land is out there and kunogombe la kusasa we can't run away from that.
Yeah, as ama-politicians uzusabe yazi pathological liars. You understand that. But nathi siyabavumela ukuthi badlale le game yethu ngathi. Understand that? Okay, good example. Laphana kube nenkinga eThongathi.
Yeah.
Kufika ama-politicians with ama-promises. After 14 days laba politicians angeke abe kwi-power nje. Why singabatshela ukuthi laba promises okwenzayo Akithi wena awukho kwipower after 40 uzobe usuphumile ezinongqongqoshe uzobe uphumile ezipribe understand bathina siyabayeka bazoseyemela
Fana kube kumanje fana bakhona ama-TLP right ganda excavate fanele ngabe as it is right now ugcwele bona emalokishini taking care of rubble so that it gets cleared izindlu zi-rebuild. But those things are not
sadly so nohulumeni umasipala unazo lezo zinto zawo
angithi bathiwa ngizowakha izindlu ezu-1 million joking but it's things like those obonayo ukuthi they don't really care about us. I'm not talking about the organization specific, everyone osemandleni. So if we are not again
promises there
let's organize ourselves and fight for what we believe in.
Yeah, but ngicabanga ukuthi sesoyigoqa manje. By the way, ungakhohlwa usilandele lapha ku YouTube usikhona usilandele page lethu le YouTube podcast affirmation lapha kule Facebook ke sibaningi kakhulu but sisafuna abantu siyabiza now oza now uzosithola futhi la Facebook uzosithola sikhona sikulandela bonke labantu bacabangayo nama politicians sizazobuye size nabona so check ukuthi okay bafikile lekho before benza lawo ma promises yabona sesho wena bona futhi because sifuna ukwazi ukuthi njengoba senifikile yashaya lama promises seku after kwenzakala sifuna ukubatholela leyo nto le commotion but before sivale le ngiyazi ukuthi uthintile indaba ye family but uleko bengekho kule busy schedule sakhe urelaxa kanjani
music
iphi type of music oyilandelayo
yo ilalele neo soul I listen to jazz
yini manje neo soul ungabe complicated
asifaka umuntu ofana njengo D'Angelo umuntu ofana njengo Angie Stone.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Jill
Scott.
Yeah, it's all in pictures. Okay, sharp.
That's neo soul.
Kuthi ubaji la South Africa sekubona.
Labo
akabona Siphiwe Dane.
Kabomo. That's proper neo soul. You know, but bafana njengo Maxoba, Ayanda Gia. There's just a lot.
And that's a serious stuff.
There's a lot of people that are shining neo soul. It's beautiful because I think it's a combination of soul and R&B. I mean, the artists when you understand exactly.
So, team yebhola oyilandelayo mina I'm a Chiefs fan. Charity support player
I'm an ex-Chiefs fan. Usuthu manje.
Oh, Usuthu. Kuyafana nje ngathi jumpile nakulona.
Angibapha isikhathi nabo kancane ngoba ngahlala nayo for 30 odd years iChiefs. Ake ngiphe Usuthu. Nanokuthi umanzini esikhonzene kakhulu naye so I understand sometimes izinto azenza because khona leyo
it's like supporting iMK ngenxa proximity naye noZuma that stuff.
How's that going for you?
No, mina akikho mina kwipolitiki angingeni yabo ngethela example ukuthi wena because inobanzina bane phela ukuthi ngaba uyisupport this thing if ubanzina engekho that reminds me of abantu ababuye balandele into ngenxa yomuntu yabo ulandele IFP because uthanda umuntu onabaphila ngeke what if esehamba umuntu onaphila ngeke.
So it's an example. One of my favorite coaches is Jose Mourinho, right? And ngesikhathi with Chelsea, ngayibona ngithanda Chelsea. Manchester United, ngayibona ngithanda Manchester United.
Yeah.
Wherever AS Roma, ngazothi ngithanda lo mjito. Bese ngilandele individual because I'm always fascinated by the man who thinks and plan and prepare. I'm going to bring this person here. So like Nisha too when I was at the Kakas, talent identification and grooming them. You know what I mean?
Into place me because ungamthatha umbone talent lomuntu obuzuvaka isikhathi neswrong and you care ubese ngathi akekho talented same thing like ebholini uthatha umuntu odlala u4 instead uzothi akadlala u7
position
umuntu bese ngathi uyabheda kanti ukubhediswa wena
but yabona ukuthi one bad leader can kill everything. Iwe parts.
Yeah.
There was an example nje ngalento uyikhuluma ukuthi umuntu ayibheke ukuthi uma fresh ntwana yami mhlambe uyayimfonela every week ngise gagas.
Yeah.
Ngase le ntwana ipassion. Ngazambisa sewuzala shy coffee. Asithi ntwana yami I've listened to all your demos of Nkamamanga. You'll be better suited labana
because yeah.
Ahlala phansi naye ukuthi I understand
cross.
Angizwa?
Abona wamthatha eGagasini.
No.
I think why eGagasini.
Ngafike sehambile. Esefuna ukubuya. Okay. Ngamchaza ngathi shona lapha look where he is right now. Yeah, understand.
Man.
Oh, akaze ukhosini. Sekuxoshile.
No, angazi kuyayibuza
wena.
I-rate isikhathi esidingini ku-6 to 6.
Ayi sizwe usuqalile into. But again, mangabe sekhona imali, I know ukuthi he's got indawo yokudla as well now. Okay. So that's what is in my freshers fast food or something like that. So yile nto sikhuluma eqaleni ungathembeli kwi-radio pen. Multiple streams of income. Because when they say
I prefer amagezi noma ama-distance.
Uma kwenze njani? Nje. Ayi angina preference.
Ubathandele bo.
Ayibonke nje ba right empilweni yami. Akekho umuntu ongihluphayo. Akekho. You know my longest friend engangaba naye and usakhona manje Eric D. I learned a lot from
Eric D.
So ngiyagcina sele.
No, but ngiyambona kwi-social media. Social media isebenza ukuthini ihlanganise nabantu.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I think ngavuleleka early in terms of accepting. Besides, it's not my place to accept. Ukuthi umuntu uthanda une preference yani.
Yeah.
It's just for me to say, I impilo yakho, I'm not judging, nami ngangijudge, and that's it.
Mina ngi-out uThas mina.
Impintshi yakho uTha,
Yeah.
Ngithandani uTha?
How great uTha?
Impintshi yami.
Sharp kakhulu.
All right kakhulu. Oh, sakhuluma ngayo LGBTQ.
Plus.
Plus. Diva Kadash as well. That's how Gagas. That was under.
What's a car?
Again, nice man.
Slobe. I need to upload.
Oh.
Yeah, this is swag Diva Kadash upload.
So now we Diva sees one.
I mean, I'm getting lazy to just keep a low profile.
Check.
Yeah. So you're grading up.
No.
It's about us bamukele because not question wrong term. What's us bamukele? Ahlalisane nje kahle yabona ukuthi ngikhumbule out Act2 Musoveni.
Sure.
Azi noma ngikhumbule lapha eUganda. Evele ngabafundi.
Kumanje
kuze kushaya umthetho ngempela ukuthi abantu ngepreference yabo usungaze ubube to the extent.
Asibeka nje sizwe because ngifuna uba as wide as I possibly can with lento efana njengale. Your sexual preference yakho. I think where sometimes I have a challenge is when a sexual issue becomes a big white elephant in the room. Where ingakwazi ukukhuluma nomuntu or homosexual frankly. You understand? So if your child comes to you and say, Baba, I'm gay. Your child must not accept ngaleso sikhathi leyo. It takes time. Let's bond. Don't shove it down my throat. Ukuthi mangithi immediately, bese sokushaya ngithandi aningifu because zamkuyilungisa lento ukuthi si acceptane sona. Let's find ways ukuthi sixoxe kahle. Don't push anything down anyone's throat. Don't force anyone ukuthi agcine uzokhumbula ukuthi sikhula sonke besazi ukuthi this is natural. This is not natural. Which we've seen now ukuthi it's wrong to distinguish izinto kanjalo. But I need to reprogram myself. Ngoba ngangipropramile all these years to look in this manner. Let's allow dialogues and conversations azosakha sonke. Singashaya icaba bodlo. Let me put it this way. I saw a post on TikTok. Yeah, asibona a post on TikTok where utisha engane encane, I think zilako 10 years. Ubeke a gay pride flag la ifundisa khona. Wangena umzali wathi ayibo. Ngicela wehlise lento mina I'm teaching my child to behave a certain way.
Yeah.
Manje masuzothi when I go against what I'm saying. waphendula nathi no but I'm allowed. Yes, you are allowed ukwenza noma yini, but don't force indlela engifuna ukukhulisa ngayo ingane zami through lokho ufuna ukuthi kuforcele khona. No one must be forced. Everyone must just live ngendlela afuna ukuphila ngayo, but don't force anything down anyone's throat. Because night masithi why you gay wena yekuba gay, you can't just yekuba gay. People are born in that way, and people must be accepted for who they are. Force lutho. Let's allow tolerance is everything, sis. Tolerance, listening, and understanding goes a long way. If you don't like anyone who's not heterosexual, keep your mouth shut and move the other direction. It's not for you to say uNkulunkulu wakabani usizokwazi prescribe. You are staying in short.
Even when this comes to religion, ungabukeli phansi inkolo zabanye abantu.
Don't.
If mina ngishila nje ihluthu sami, ngihambela ebuhleni, ngiyekele.
Ungathi ngoba uhamba ebuhleni bese uthi hayi lo nkulunkulu enimkhonzayo wrong. I invite do you, I will do me. Wherever we meet, let's coexist.
Done. Don't you dare do what I want to do. If you do it, please take pictures. See you in 7. Thanks, Nico.
Atyam, yabonga kakhulu, all the best with a podcast. Ngicela ikhule from strength to strength. Nabantu osebenza nabo futhi ngiyabonga kakhulu everything. Ngathi ngihamba kahle kufisela into. By the way, a lot of people are your fans. A lot of people love what you do. And you deserve to be on a platform efana njenge radio. Talk radio. But ukhuluma ukuthi the space. Sizwe's got that space on radio. So njengo talent scout sengishilo sizokhuluma nabantu.
Done. Sharp name.
Wait.